Hello everyone, this is Arnav Shivaram. Today I'm going to demonstrate my Java calculator program. Now let's start with the script. So in the script, first I have imported the Java utility package. So why have I imported the utility package? Because if I import the utility package, I will be able to get the user's input through the scanner command. And then I have the public class main, and then inside public class main I have the void main, public static void main. Under that I've made two double variables. What is double? Double are decimal values. So number 1 and number 2 are two double variables, and then under the doubles I've put the scanner command, which I imported through the utility package. So scanner, then I created an object for scanner, it's called SE, and then I've created new scanner. This is the command, and system in, this is the syntax for getting input. Now I've put system.out.println, enter the number. So this gets the number. This is the message saying please enter the number. Under that I put number 1 and put sc.next double, which will allow this scanner sc command to come down and get the input through number 1. So now in this line I'll get the value of the first number, and in this line I'll get the value of the second number. Let's come to the next line. This is system.out.println command, and I've put the message please enter an operator. So for performing mathematical or arithmetic operations we need an operator. So like this is a message saying please enter an operator. So I have received the operator's value through a character, because when we receive it through integer or double, we won't be able to enter special characters such as ampersand, plus, minus symbols. So I used character. So this is the command to get the value to OP or the operator variable, and this character add 0. This command, the character add command, is used to locate alphabets or values. This is mainly used in 2D arrays or single dimensional arrays. So the 0 means the first digit or the first value in the character. So the first value will be our symbols such as the ampersand, the division symbol, and addition and subtraction. So here I have implemented 5 different symbols or 5 different operators. I have implemented it through the switch command. Switch is used to make cases and see if this goes through it or the other case goes through it. So it gives us a number of possibilities to choose from. So we have the case 1, which is an addition case. If the user puts as additional operator, it goes through this case. If the user puts it to the subtraction, it goes to this case. And if multiplication goes through this case, division this case, and finally modulus this case. So there's finally something called the default case. If the value the user puts or inputs doesn't come under any of these 5 cases, it finally goes to the default case or else case. So here in default case, if nothing matches these 5 operators, it says you have entered an invalid operator, which is not available in this program. So let me now deeply explain all of the cases. So what I've done is, if he puts plus or if the user puts plus, number 1 is added to number 2 to get the O, which is the answer. O is also a double, so even if you input a decimal value, we can do the operation. So then if I put in minus, I have number 1 minus number 2. So there I get the answer in O. So what is the break command? The break command helps us to end the switch case itself. So if I put the break command here, it directly goes to here, the end of the switch command. So this is how it works. Now at the end, I'll put a printing command, system.out.println, saying that the message saying that the answer is. So this plus adds the variable with this message. So it says the answer is, and whatever the operator the user chooses, we get the answer from the following operator. Now let's see the output. Now let me execute this program. So it says enter the number, which comes from this printer message. Now I'll enter two numbers. First the number 1 saying 5 and the number 2 8. Now we'll just wait. Yes, the next question, please enter an operator. This comes from this message. Now we'll first choose the addition and then enter. See, we got the answer as 13. So since we put it in float, we also get a point 0. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So we got the correct answer. Now we'll execute it again and see if it shows the invalid default case. So now it's executing again. We'll put 1, enter, 2, enter, and operator, I'll try putting hashtag. We'll wait. See, you have entered an invalid operator. It works on default. Now finally, one more final try. We'll try with modulus this time with float variables 0.12.1 and then 0.5, and then it will ask us to select the operator. Here we'll put modulus, enter. We got the correct answer. Since it's a double, we can get over 8 to 9 bit of decimal value. So thank you guys. This is the demonstration of my Java project.